Hello to all my lovely subscribers and my future subscribers. Welcome to my channel Travel with Siri. Please subscribe to my channel and activate the bell in order to get all the notifications. On our way to Phillip Island Nature Parks tour to sight penguins, we visited a unique historical farm which is over 100 years old. We had a 1 hour break at Warrook Farm before heading to our next destination. Warrook Farm is a historical farm which is over 100 years old. The farm is a 300-acre working cattle farm. The official website of the Warrook Farm is found under this video's description. In the farm, you can milk a cow in the dairy, crack a stockwhip, bottle feed baby calves, as well feed the farm animals. Wombats are mammals and are native only to Australia. These mammals are nocturnal grazers. They eat mainly grass and roots and live in large burrows up to 30 meters long. Wombats are very proficient diggers and can survive from 5 years to over 30 years.